Welcome back to the channel. Simple tool, follow the instructions, and you'll be okay. As long as your cylinder is in somewhat good condition, this honing or deglazing tool will do the job. And I'll give you my reasons why I use this particular style with the fingers versus the ball hone. Cut. Welcome back to the channel. Cut. Oh, I can't speak today. Cut. Welcome back to the channel. This a honing, cheap honing bore hone. I don't know what the hell. All you're doing is putting some scratches into the cylinder wall so that the new piston rings can adhere to and break into. As a side note, I am not a professional engine builder. Wink, wink. I am doing this on a severe budget. This is just a overview. I will try to get into as many details as I possibly can, but then again, it's up to you to do the research to find out for your particular engine, because each engine is different. The history of the engine, the condition of the engine, all that kind of good stuff. So to each his own. I hope you enjoy. This is more for entertainment purposes and just to give you a quick thing of what you're getting into. That's it. Okay, we got your basic Harbor Freight hone. Goes on a drill. It's like a fine, nothing too crazy on the stone, because we're not looking to go too crazy on the stone here. All we want to do is just clean up the mess. Put that aside. Basically, I like to use this type of honing device or deglazing device over the ball type of setup, and the reason why both of them will work, don't get me wrong, but the reason why I like this one is that this is straight, so it actually gives you a straighter cut or a straighter whatever you call it. The ball hone will conform to any regular pattern inside the bore, so sometimes you can actually enhance a bore that's out of that has a lot of wear. But these particular bores are straight. They are perfect. There's no wear, nothing. So all we're doing is just basically deglazing it and putting some cross hatching in it for the new rings. I'm doing this before I completely prep the block again, to clean it again and do all the, a couple of the modifications to the block. So here we go. I don't mess with the preload. I like to have just a little bit of a load on there, nothing too radical. Should be very easy to push in and out. That's all. That's it. Nothing. You can adjust them back and forth. It has on the lowest setting as far as spring tension setting. We're going to get our lube, any super tech baloney stuff, because you can go through a lot of this stuff. So yeah. Yeah. So this is what I like to do. You have your ways of doing it. I like to lube the bore up. Cloth just to clean it up just a little bit. You're gonna make it dirty anyway, but just to make sure there's nothing weird in there. I like that word. Notice myself saying that a lot. I don't know why. Now the one thing you got to be really careful of when you're using this type of hone or whatever you call it is that there's webbing. There's like a webbing, like a piece of metal that sticks out from the main bearing saddles. You gotta be careful not to go all the way down because you could break the stone. That's about it. And don't stop in the middle and then drag out of the cylinder. Alrighty, lots of lube, pre-soaking the stones. Very simple. Stick in the hole, like she said. Line up the stones. All right, see how I have it? Start like that. 2, 3. Oh, see, came out of the hole. Oh yeah, so now I can start to feel it's nicely, it's cutting a nice groove in there. Not cutting, but deglazing. Yep, see, even I do it. I've been doing this a long time. I still catch the edges, taking stuff out. Oh yeah, really good. Do it one more time. You'll get the hang of it. All right, let's see what we've done. Remember, we're gonna have to go through every one of these cylinders, make sure that they are clean for the final assembly. See, chunks coming out here. All right, let's get you in there. All right, so you can see how nice the cylinders came out. It was just simple deglazing, putting some crosshatch into it, and that's it. That's all it is. Very simple. If you have rusted cylinders and all that kind of stuff, it's gonna take a little bit longer, but just a couple of strokes inside each cylinder bore, clean them up, and you got a nice finish.